What's up, everybody? This is Ryan with RHRSwag.com. Here to show you a tech tip. Tech tip is for the most important thing that a racer's tool is going to be. That's your notebook. This is a binder specifically for this car. As I labeled it on the front, I like to keep everything that we need to know about the car inside this binder. From my maintenance checklist, to my scale numbers, to my dyno graph from the motor as well. And I like to keep my measurements for my wrap guy in there as well. And if you would have a crate motor, I'd have all the information from the crate engine, from the GM. And I also have my fire extinguisher instruction manual that I have equipped in this car as well. The one thing that makes this book very friendly is I want to keep using it so I stay fresh on top. I use this vehicle maintenance checklist that I use once a week. Basically, when the car comes back after racing over the weekend, I can go through this checklist, update it, check it off as needed, fill in the comments so whoever's driving the car or myself, I can stay up to date on what the car needs, and it can extremely help your maintenance program. And you can make these checklists as well, just use an Excel spreadsheet or find them online and print off a handful, and it can help your maintenance program every single week, and hopefully this tech tip helps you.